Most marketers think they know their customers, but AI actually does. In this video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can help you truly understand your audience, what they care about, what makes them click, and what keeps them loyal. Because when you understand your customers better, you sell smarter. Understanding customers has always been at the heart of great marketing, but traditional research, surveys, focus groups, reports, is slow and expensive. AI changes that. With today's tools, you can analyze customer behavior, preferences, and emotions in real time, across thousands of interactions. It's like having a digital mirror reflecting exactly how your audience thinks and feels. So, let's break down 5 powerful ways AI helps you understand your customers better, and how to use that knowledge to grow your business. Customer sentiment analysis. Every day, your customers are talking. In comments, reviews, and social media posts. AI tools like Monkey Learn, Brandwatch, and Talkwalker analyze that text to detect emotion and sentiment. You'll instantly know if your audience feels excited, frustrated, or indifferent. Instead of guessing what people think about your brand, you'll have the data right in front of you, in real time. Predicting customer behavior. AI doesn't just show you what's happening, it predicts what will happen next. Platforms like Pecan AI and Salesforce Einstein use machine learning to spot purchase patterns, churn risks, and upsell opportunities. For example, AI can identify which customers are most likely to cancel and alert your team before it happens. You're no longer reacting, you're preventing. Personalized customer experiences. Ever wonder how Netflix or Spotify seems to just know what you'll love? That's AI personalization in action. Tools like Dynamic Yield, Adobe Sensei, and HubSpot AI let you tailor your website, emails, and offers to each user's behavior automatically. Imagine sending every customer a unique message without writing a single line of code. AI-driven customer insights from conversations. If you use chatbots or customer support tools, you're sitting on a goldmine of insight. Platforms like ChatGPT for Business, Cresta AI, and Intercom Fin analyze thousands of chat transcripts to find trends in customer questions, pain points, and product feedback. Instead of manually reading customer messages, AI extracts patterns, so you can adjust your messaging, pricing, or offers based on what customers are actually saying. Visual and emotional analytics beyond text. AI can now analyze facial expressions, tone of voice, and engagement in videos or ads. Tools like Affectiva and Emotive AI interpret emotional reactions frame by frame. This helps brands test which visuals or messages truly connect with viewers. It's not about guessing your audience's feelings. It's about measuring them. AI doesn't replace empathy. It amplifies it. The more you understand your customers, the more personal, relevant, and powerful your marketing becomes. Start by connecting one AI tool to your customer data. Maybe Brandwatch for sentiment or HubSpot AI for personalization. Once you see what your audience is really thinking, your entire marketing strategy will change. Because in 2025, the brands that know their customers best will win.